Hey, quick video for you guys. This thing's up and running good, but I picked this up for 1,500 bucks. The kid had hit a tree with it, with this side, cracked this plastic right here. Needed a new A-arm. Got that done. I think I got 15 plus 150, so 1650 into this thing. Fuel injected, runs and drives great. I got a guy coming to look at it, offered me 3,200 for it. So we're gonna make some money off this thing. So yeah, that's gonna be awesome. I still have this because I posted it online, trade for OBS Chevy lift for that old girl. I want a lift kit. I found one. I offered a guy the bike. He said if he doesn't sell the lift kit by Sunday, he'll make the trade. This thing starts first, second kick every time. Runs. It's a freaking beast. This thing is torquey, it's fast, it's dangerous. And then, on another note, I bought this thing. Picked it up for 300 bucks from a kid. It used to be raced. His neighbor was a motocross racer. The guy had videos, pictures, and trophies with this bike. 91 KX 125. It was completely caked in like grease, if you can see like right there. The whole bike. I changed the rear tire, serviced the sprocket, greased the whole bearings and shaft in the rear wheel. He put it away for winter, took it out, and it was locked up, he said. I got there, he had filled the crankcase with oil, and it was kind of like locked up down here. So I started moving it like this, and it went ting, and now look. Not locked up, but I freed that up there and I didn't want him to see it, so I was like, all right, I'll buy it. He took 300 bucks. Check out this sweet Pro Circuit pipe, 91 KX and the last four of the VIN. You do not see that anymore. So this, look at the brazing on this thing. It's got a dent in it. I don't know how to get it out. It's got some rainbowing going on around the brazing. Everything on this thing is just beautiful. This is a classic race bike. This thing is sick. So, the cylinder was still good. I've got it. I still got to clean it up. But if you look in there, you can see cross hatching. I did run a hone through it. I bought a hone just to see if it'll work. One of these flex hones. These things are not cheap, but if you've got an old dirt bike or you're wanting to do rings, hit it with that. You'll have a brand new cylinder. So here's the head. I got it all lubed up, just sitting waiting. I have one part for the power valve. This gear was sheared off, so 68 bucks for that gear. I bought a 2021 front fender. I had to buy side plates for the rear and side fairing, one side fairing for the front. And it came with the matching OEM sticker. So I had the right side, I needed the left side, which I bought. It came with both of them. Let's see, where's, seat looks good. No major rips or tears. She looks good. So this guy's on his way to buy that side-by-side right now. I will let you know if it sells. And I'm gonna go finish leaf blowing my sidewalk before he gets here. I'll bring you right back to this thing and let you know what happens with that. Boom, it sold for 3 grand. Bought it for 1,500, sold it for 3 grand, doubled my money, made $1,500 off that thing. Can you believe it? So, off to buying bigger, better things. Bam Bam's working on his dang. These things, never buy them, man. They're constantly breaking. You spend more time fixing these stupid things than you do riding them. We bought this pipe off AliExpress. I fabbed it up, so he's got that on there. But either way, we made our money. That thing's gone. On to this one. We honed the cylinder. I've got brand new Wiseco piston in there, and this is stock bore. You can see there's a sleeve in this thing. You see that metal ring right there. That's a sleeve. So that's stock bore. That means that it's a brand new cylinder. You can still get like 4 or 5, well, 3 or 4 rebuilds off this thing. You blow it up and you gotta punch it out. You can punch it out 3 or 4 times. So that's awesome. That's actually a good selling point. Got all these parts, putting them on there. Apparently on this channel, people don't like to see me fixing dirt bikes or, you know, buying this, fixing it, and selling it. They just want to know what I bought it for and how much I sold it for and how I did it. That's cool, you know. Then I've got other people. I subscribed to watch you buy and sell cars. Man, I buy and sell everything. I buy and sell car audio, dirt bikes, GoPeds, side-by-sides, cars, refrigerators, wheels. Actually, I just bought these for my OBS Chevy, 14 inches wide. Yeah, buddy. So hopefully I go and trade that dirt bike for that brand new rough country lift in the boxes. But either way, I show you how to buy and sell anything. Be versatile. I could be fixing a dirt bike in this video. I could be fixing a refrigerator in the next. I could be fixing a speaker in the next. In my opinion, that's offering more knowledge than just buying and selling a car. I like flipping things. I like making, you know, it's free money. Brought that side-by-side home. The A-arm was bent. So we take it off, put an A-arm on the dang thing, straighten it out. We took it and rode it for a whole day. Got a free ride out of it. Never even put gas in it. Had a full tank. Sold it with a half a tank. Made our money, off to the next one. You know what I mean? 300 bucks into this. I had to buy the power valve, a couple pieces of plastic for the back, one of the shrouds for the front. Found these dirt bike tires on the side of the road. I got that one and this one. Found them on the side of the road. Dunlop Geomax tires. You know what I mean? Like, everything works out. I literally just found those because our small town has like a big trash day where you're allowed to throw out refrigerators or whatever the heck you got, and they'll take it. I found 2 of these Hover ones. Those are $500 a piece. Literally, when they were new, they paid $500 for the side of the road. I went on Amazon, bought chargers. They both work. Insane. So I found these dirt bike tires, and then 2 days later, I buy this dirt bike. It needs tires. Here, let me show you. This is the tire that came on it. They're all cracked up. The last thing you want is a cracked up dirt bike tire. Yeah. But, oh, check this out. 10 seconds, quickly. Who can tell me what this is before I get out and show you? Check this out. We got blue lights. What do you think this is? Boom. Throw the steering wheel in the seat. Who knows what this is before I get out? Alright, let's go look at this. I mean, usually people paint interiors and they turn out like crap. This actually looks good. Put her in first. What is it, guys? The cleanest freaking Ranger you ever seen in your life. That's what. Look at that. Super nice. My son just bought this. My 18-year-old. Picked it up for $2 grand. Had a bent axle. Brought it home. And because he's worked on things with me, he changed the axle. I helped him, but basically slid it out. The wheel was wobbling a little bit. Other guy didn't know how to fix it. He did. So, boom. Got the Ranger. I mean, this is a super clean Ranger. I should just do a whole video on this in itself. Removable steering wheel. Little amp and speaker back there. He paid $2,000 for it. I told him he was crazy when he was gonna go pay $2 grand for a Ranger, but I think it's worth it. Super clean Ranger. Look at that thing. Single cab. He wants to build a trophy truck, so cool on him. I wouldn't want to build a freaking Ranger. But yeah, always wheeling and dealing, always buying new stuff. If you'd like to, you know, learn how to flip things, you can flip cars, you can flip anything you want, man. Like I say in every video, if you're into video games, flip PlayStations. Everybody's trying to get money. They sell them super cheap. Buy one, sell it, make 50 bucks. RC cars, bicycles, that fat tire bike. Pick that up for 45 bucks. I could sell it for 150 today. Yeah, just always flipping. You're gonna have to come back. I'll get this thing running. Parts will be here Saturday. Just made money on the side-by-side. Got the Danger Ranger coming up. You know, who knows what I'll go buy today or tomorrow. I am hoping to get a lift for the OBS Chevy, which Maddox has right now. Put those 14-inch wide tires on it. That'll be pretty sweet, the toy hauler. Yeah. How much you think I'll make off that? Right now I've got about, I'd say $550 into it. I've got $500 into the pit bike, bought it for $400, put a carbon throttle on it. You saw that in the last video, which only got like 80 views because, well, it's a pit bike and not a car. Same concept though. Buy it cheap, fix it, make money. Come back if you want to learn more. Peace.